Hey guys, welcome back! In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to enable dark mode in the Bigo Live app. So without wasting any time, let's jump right into it. First, open up the App Store on your device and search for Bigo Live. Before proceeding, make sure your app is updated to the latest version, because the dark mode option may not appear in older versions. Once you've updated the app, go ahead and open Bigo Live. After the app launches, tap on the Me section, which is usually located at the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, look at the top right corner and tap on the Settings icon. This will open up the Settings menu. Now scroll down through the settings until you find the Dark Mode option. Tap on it, and you'll see options to switch between Light Mode and Dark Mode. Simply select Dark Mode, and the app's theme will instantly change to a darker interface, which is easier on the eyes, especially at night. And that's it! You've successfully enabled dark mode in Bigo Live. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.